Hi, so in this video I'm going to talk about how we can set up Oracle Analytics Cloud instance in just a few minutes. So we'll start with going to Oracle Cloud URL, which is cloud.oracle.com. To reach here, you can click on Sign In. So I assume you already have purchased the 30-day trial version of the Oracle Analytics Cloud, or you already have it. So here, Oracle Cloud 1984 is my domain name. Click Next. All right, one thing to notice here is Oracle constantly revising the screen for the Oracle Cloud. And when I did the install last month, the layout was slightly different. So depending on when you are watching this video, it is possible that the screens are revised further. Just to keep it in perspective, this screen layout is as of February the 6th when I am recording this. So as you see here, once you get here, click on the burger icon, scroll all the way down. In the administration, click on My Services Dashboard. All right, so it will take you to the dashboard. It shows you your promotion dollar amount and the number of days left. Click on the burger icon again and go to the list of services. You will find here Analytics. In the services, click on that. Since now I don't have any instance created, it's not listing anything and it's giving me the option to create an instance. I will click here. All right. So this screen is asking for an instance name. I'll call it dev1. I intend to use it for development purposes. Description is optional. You can give it as per your need. Notification email, region. You can either leave no preference or you can select the region where you want it. We select Phoenix. All right. Tags are generally used if you have multiple instances and you intend to search your particular instance depending on the tag, so you can provide a tag name. Let's say it's belong to the group of development instance. I can add a tag called dev. Okay, it's a license type. Is subscribe to New Analytics Cloud since this is a 30-day trial version. All right, so here is the important thing. It asks you to choose three options: standard, S-base, and enterprise. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to choose enterprise, which has all the features and functionality of data visualization, data modeling, but it does not have the S-base, right? So select the enterprise. Feature set gives you option in terms of what you want to do, just the business intelligence, the data visualization capability, or the S-base. So I'm going to choose business intelligence, which implicitly contain all the data visualization capability as well. Number of OCPUs. So since I'm going to use it more for the demo purposes and not for any heavy lifting, I'm going to choose the number of OCPUs as 1. Click Next. Okay, so it asks us to review the configuration. You have an option to download it as well in the form of a JSON file. Just click on create. So here you see the message that the Oracle Instance Cloud Creation request is accepted, and it's already creating the instance. It generally takes around 10 to 15 minutes to create this instance. So what you're going to do is we're going to come back to the screen in 10 to 15 minutes and see how it looks. Alright, so we are back here and we now see that the instance is created and it shows the timestamp of when the instance is created. So now it is ready for us to use. Go to the instance name and click on the manage instance icon, and you will notice here there is Oracle Analytics Cloud URL. So you can click on that, and what it will do is it will open the data visualization screen. So as you see, the instance is ready for us to use. You can go ahead, download samples, or use your own data sources to build the analytics and visualization using various options listed in this menu. And also, let me show you how you can access the classic URL. So go to the page menu, and you see this option of Open Classic Home. You can click on that, and it will take you to the Classic Home page. So all the dashboards and report which you will build in the future will be displayed here. All right. So thank you very much for watching this, and this concludes the tutorial. See you next time.